we have a lot of prejudice about alchemy. It is common to think of an alchemist as a wizard doing magical rituals. But we tend to forget that also Isaac Newton, one of the fathers of the modern science, was a keen alchemist. And the experiment or the manual practice were a way to acquire knowledge. So alchemy is often described as a pseudoscience, where it should be better described as a proto-science. Exploring the ancient chemistry of mercury actually was a quest that arose from Professor Matteo Martelli. And the idea was really to understand the variety of recipe that describe the different behavior of mercury and how it was extracted in the past. Mercury is actually a very important metal in the alchemical tradition. It's a metal, but it's liquid at room temperature. It's called also quicksilver, and this name really gives the idea how special it is. Moreover, mercury has other properties, like it forms amalgams with gold, silver, tin, and lead. Matteo Martelli and his team, they go through all the ancient manuscripts. They translated in English or Italian, and we go back to the lab and we try to repeat this recipe. We used modern equipment for heating or for the ball milling to have a better control of the temperature, also to speed up the reaction to reduce time. Then when we have idea what is happening, we moved to a condition closer to the past. So we tried the manual grinding. The manual grinding actually was very exciting. Cinnabar is mercury sulfide and was used in the past mainly as a pigment because it's a very bright red. So you can really see that the red cinnabar, maybe 10 minutes, it becomes black and you see something happen. But we had to grind for about 4 hours to see the droplets of mercury. The other kind of reaction that we tried at the hot extraction, it is interesting to note that they clearly specify to use closed vessel. And that's because the alchemists knew that the vapor of mercury were toxic. So they want to minimize the presence of vapor, but also it was probably also the presence of closed vessel facilitate the recovery of mercury. For the historians, what they found out that some of the details that has been dismissed, overlooked, downplayed were an important fundamental for the outcome of the recipe. As a chemist, for us it was a way to regain a century-long history of chemistry that was totally falling to the oblivion.